Hello my dear children, welcome back. Let us now start with part 2 of grade 4th. So today we'll complete chapter number 1, that is building with bricks. And students, I request you all please watch the video till last. Students, what we will study in this part? Number 1, looking through a brick jali. Number 2, jali pattern. Number 3, jharokha. Number 4, a special arc. Number 5, different kinds of bricks. Number 6, the size of a brick. Number 7, pictures from brick kiln. So now let's discuss first topic of today, looking through a brick jali. So this topic is there in your NCERT book, page number 6. What does brick jali means? ब्रिक्स की हेल्प से जाली बनाना, जिसके थ्रू आप देख सकते हैं. Jali is small size and we can see from one side to another. So what they are saying? Let's read together. The masons who built Jagrati school had also made different jali patterns on the walls. Means जिन लोगों ने जागृति स्कूल बनाया था उन्हीं लोगों ने डिफरेंट जाली पैटर्न भी बनाए थे दीवारों पे. नाउ क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट जाली पैटर्न्स कैन यू सी इन दीज टू फोटोज? मीन्स इन दिस इमेज how many different jalis can you see? So there's some difference between window and jali. Students, window is big and jali is made with small gap. So let's see different patterns of jali in this picture. So here I have marked first pattern of jali and I have written here 1. Another second pattern of jali. Here I have written 2. Third pattern of jali. This is fourth pattern of jali and this is fifth pattern of jali. So how many different patterns can you see? Right answer, 5 different jali patterns. Next, this is a drawing of another beautiful jali, as you can see here. So in this full wall in white color is jali and shape of this jali is this, as you can see here. Clear? So through this we can see. Now color some bricks red and make your own jali patterns in the wall drawn below. So here we have to color bricks red and make jali pattern. So students, do this question by your own. Color the bricks red and make your own jali pattern. Can you see the window Jharokha in this photo of the school? So here the photo is given and they have drawn Jharokha. So what are they saying? क्या आपको यहाँ पे एक Jharokha दिख रहा है? So right answer, yes, I can see Jharokha in this photo. Now draw some Jharokha patterns on the wall here. You can shade it black. So students, you will draw here some Jharokha patterns of your choice and shade it with black color, okay? And this question is given in page number 7. Let's move further. This topic is there in your book, page number 8. This jali is from a library building in Kerala. So here I have shown you a picture of jali from a library building in Kerala. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. So students, remember Gurleen ma'am told you in previous class, edges means lines. So 2 bricks they have used here to form triangle. Let's see some more questions. Have you seen bricks that look like triangles? Look at the bricks around the tree in this photo. So in this photo, triangle bricks are given, as you can see here. So where have you seen these kind of bricks? Mostly in gardens. So do you see the arc in this photo? This is from a school in Faizabad. So students, an arc is basically a curved structure. So in this I have shown you an arc. This is a curved structure. Have you ever seen arcs in a bridge? Yes. So in this picture I have shown you an arc in a bridge. So students, I'll ask you one question. Where else have you seen an arc? So students, we have seen an arcs in a rainbow, bridge, tunnel, etc. Next topic, a special arc. In this photo from Orcha, see how the arc is made. It has a nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. So students, isn't the jali of this window beautiful? See here, it is made of thin bricks. Next topic, different kinds of bricks. It is given in your book, page number 10. Jamal and Kalu, the masons of Jagrati School. So students, remember Jamal and Kalu who made Jagrati School? So what Jamal and Kalu said? They said that their grandfathers used many different kinds of bricks. So some of these different kinds of bricks are shown in this photo, as you can see. So now let's do some questions related to this photo. A part. Which of these bricks have curved edges? So edges means lines. So let's see which bricks have curved edges. So in this picture, brick 1 and 2 from top left have curved edges. B part. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? So students, if you remember, we have already studied one brick has 6 faces. So right answer, no, a brick cannot have more than 6 faces. Next topic, the size of a brick. So this topic is there in your book, page number 10. So students, have you seen bricks of different sizes? क्या आपने brick अलग अलग size की देखी है? Right answer, yes, I have seen bricks of different sizes. So students, take one brick and measure it. How long is it? How wide? How high? And write the answers in your book. Last topic for today, pictures from brick kiln. These pictures are from brick kiln, means जहाँ brick बनती है. So here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. So in A picture, bricks are kept in line. In B picture, what are they doing? They are taking brick out. In D picture, what are they doing? Putting clay to give shape of brick. In C picture, what are they doing? Digging clay to make bricks. So now write the correct order. So this is the process to make bricks. So correct order is C, D, B and A. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So part 2, chapter 1 is completed. Homework for today, do page number 6 to 11 in your NCERT book. And classwork I'll send in your class groups. Bye-bye.